Upgrading a camshaft or camshafts is one of the most popular ways of making increased horsepower. Generally, an upgraded cam is also going to go hand in hand with a set of upgraded valve springs. This is critical to ensure that with an upgraded cam offering more lift and more duration, we can still control the valve train correctly at high RPM. When we buy a valve spring kit for a particular cam, it's going to come with some instructions which involve giving us the installed height of the spring, as well as how much spring pressure the spring should be providing when the valve is on the seat and over the nose of the cam. Most people are going to blindly trust the installed height information and just use that when they're installing their valve springs, but not all valve springs are created equal. And if we want to be truly sure that we're getting the correct performance out of our valve spring, this requires a valve spring tester. This allows us to physically compress the valve spring. It will allow us to confirm what installed height we actually require in order to achieve the recommended seat pressure. We'll also be able to check how much movement we can get in the valve spring before we run into coil bind. That's really critical, particularly with high lift cams, to ensure the reliability of the valve spring and the valve train. What's more is that as the valve springs age, they will start to lose some of their tension. And this is something we really want to check at a freshen up. We want to check the valve springs again and see if they're still providing the correct valve spring pressure at the installed height. If not, it's time to replace them with a new set.